Hey you guys, Blaze here from Blazing Reviews, and today we're going to be checking out Ready Player One on 4K UHD. Now this movie was shot in 2.8K and 35mm. It's got a 2K DI. It's rated PG-13. The runtime is 140 minutes. The aspect ratio is 239:1, so you will get those black letterbox bars. It's in Dolby Vision and the audio is Dolby Atmos. Now for the audio, I will be using the Sony HT-A9, and the settings are as follows. Cinema mode is on, Immersive AE is on, the rear speaker surround is set to 11, and the bass for the SW3 subwoofer is set to max. So let's jump right into it. So right away, the first race scene has some really good surround sound effects. You'll hear vehicles rushing past you, car crashes with pieces of them flying all around you, and explosions that have some really good bass. The best part is when Kong comes, smashing buildings and destroying the road. You can hear the buildings and the road crumbling in the rear speakers. His roars are loud and come through each speaker as he jumps, destroying everything in his path. The bass really rumbles also. The shootout scene at the distracted globe also has some really good surround sound effects. You'll hear gunshots whizzing from front to back and right by you, and it takes good use of the height channel as well, as coins sound like they're falling down from right above you.
I always in the way.
You know what I said? I said I'm in love with you.
No, you're not. You know what I want you to know. You only see what I want you to see. That's what you're in love with.
When drones are flying around, it sounds like they are above you and whizzing right by. It's a really cool effect that shows off the amazing height effects the A9 can produce.
Find him.
But the best surround really comes towards the end of the movie during the battle on Planet Doom. You'll want to crank up the volume for this scene, as it will really blow you away with sounds coming out of every speaker. It really shows off the A9's 360 spatial audio immersive experience.
First to the king!
And when the catalyst bomb goes off, if you have the SW3 or SW5 subwoofer, you'll want to crank it up as the bass goes extremely low and will literally rattle your entire room. I highly recommend that if you own the Sony HT-A9 or are planning to get one soon, or even have the HT-A7000 soundbar, to definitely check out this movie. The dialogue is very clear and easy to hear, especially with the A9's phantom center channel. The soundstage is very wide with some great surround details, and the 80s pop songs sound really good throughout this movie. It's got some great overhead effects as well, and the bass is very deep and will shake your room. The image quality is very detailed, especially the CGI parts which make up most of the movie, and the colors are very bright and crisp. You definitely will not be disappointed. I give the audio a blazing score of 9 for amazing, and the image quality a 7. Though the CGI was very detailed, real-world objects and faces were a tad soft. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel and hit that little bell icon so you'll get notified when I upload more videos. More reviews are coming soon.